YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Greg Maddox. About to put together another banger for y'all. You already know what it is. Tranzformerz. When you hear that trans beat, you already know what it is. So what I'm gonna do for y'all today is I'm gonna use this Micro-Korg. I'm gonna use the Phantom G6, and I'm gonna use the MV88, and I'm just gonna record each individual sound from different whatever piece I'm using, record it directly in the Pro Tools. So let's get right to it. Sound good. Let's roll with that. Roll with that. Like that so far. Let me put a clap on that just to see what it sounds like. Good. I got this synth that I layered with like a bass line and a soft kick, just to give it that fatness, that thickness, however you want to call it, but just to give it some body. I'm gonna put another like a synth on top of all of that. See what that sounds like. I'm gonna put another sound up underneath that, not too abrasive, but just something that'll just give it a little bit more body. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what this sounds like. Yes, sir. Feeling that. Alright, so now I'm gonna throw a kick on here. I'm gonna go to the MV now that I got my music, the melody, the clap, you know what I'm saying, the rhythm is all almost set. But I got the melody, so all I need to do now is give it that bounce with a kick and see what happens. something real quick, real easy, you know what I'm saying? Nice, feel good track, kind of pop, kind of bounce, you know what I'm saying? It just sounds pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna track it out and probably add a little more to it, you know, some bells and whistles. Throw that tag on there, that trans beats. I like that shit. So check me out, subscribe to the Tranzformerz. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter at the Tranzformerz, Facebook Tranzformerz. Just do what it do, baby. You already know what it is. So check it out, comment on it, let me know what you think.